If you've been watching this channel for any length of time, and by length of time, I mean literally over just the past week, maybe even 2 weeks, you've watched all of the different calls that we've made on silver and gold. You literally were able to watch last week and see that $74 was the likely bounce point for silver right after we called the top at about $90. We called that, right? And we have the proof for it. And you knew that a potential bounce point on gold was going to be right around $4,450. And bounce we did at both of those levels, right? We called the top, called the bottom. We might be gearing up for our next leg up on both of these assets, but I'm going to show you exactly what that means. I'm going to go through a little bit of Bitcoin and the S&P at the end of the video as well, but I'm going to show you where we need to stay in order to move up, and I'm going to show you the broader kind of like macro picture. If you're not familiar with who I am, my name is Drew Wolfer. I'm the founder of Nordic Alpha. We have an absolutely astronomically good win rate in there over the past year, like year and a half. And I'm a pro trader inside of the metals markets. You name it, we do it inside of there. Without further ado, we're just gonna get straight into the charts. I'm gonna show you. We called the top on the S&P. We called the top on Bitcoin. We called the top on silver. We just called the bottom on silver. And we called the bottom on gold. Absolutely insane, or at least the bounce point on silver and gold. So first off, let's get to silver, man. So we called out, dude, this was absolutely insane. Our short that we called out on silver, this thing is absolutely redonkulous. We called the absolute top. And the way that I did this, I'm gonna be honest, been trading for over 10 years, and I'm really tired of having to chart. Okay, so what did I do? I got the Alpha Intelligence indicators, order blocks, naked VWAP, naked POC, and Alpha structure, which is market structure. And literally the order block suite told me there is a 30-minute and a 4-hour bearish order block right here at $90, okay? And it basically tells me right inside of this order block set, this little confluence bubble right here, there's a 30-minute, a 4-hour, a 10-minute, and a 5-minute with 18,000 in cumulative volume on it. This is going to be a big, big place for us to, you know, potentially see some resistance. Obviously, we hit that short absolutely perfectly, rode it all the way down to guess where? The next order block set. We gave this trade out on the 8th inside of Nordic Alpha. We also gave out this trade on the 15th, 2 days before this happened. Even if you sold right now, you'd be at a 7x risk to reward ratio. That means $7 for every dollar that you risk. Now, obviously, we want to bring it up here more towards the $87 range. Guess what? Told us that that was going to be a key level. Your order block suite right here, there were 7 different order blocks here. Now there's only 6 because one got mitigated. 10-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 45, 2-hour, and 4-hour order block. The Alpha Intelligence indicators just absolutely crush it. Now, you would have been able to take profit right here if you really wanted to, right at the peak. Why? Because Alpha Intelligence would have told you, you would have had a naked VWAP line just like you have right here, right there, and as soon as you tagged it, boom, perfect full take profit. So larger context, big move up, big move down, big move up, big move down, hopefully another big move up. We come up to the $97 range. We get another move down. We start legging up. Now, why does this matter? Well, I'm about to show you. And as you can see, we got our rejection right here. If we bounce from here and we move up, we have resistance here at about $82.50. That's your prior double top high as well from before we came all the way up here, right? Now, second to that, you're gonna receive a little bit of resistance right here at about $88. Past that, you get above 97 bucks. You're now breaking market structure on the 1-hour chart to the upside. But the key to this is if you break this 97.30, there is like nothing in your way to getting up to at least $112 on silver. 112 is right in the cards for silver. And if you want the actionable trades, you know where to get them. It's inside of Nordic Alpha, baby. For gold, last week we were talking about this exact range, right? $4,550 to about $4,440. That's the top end of this order block right here. And guess what we did? We front ran it barely. We got a 1-hour SFP. Alpha Structure Suite told us about this SFP, okay? And then you were able to catch the long. The one thing I will say, we actually gave out the long, and if you didn't have the Alpha Intelligence Market Structure Suite, the Alpha Structure Suite, you would have gotten stopped out on this trade, right? But And I'm not saying you didn't if you took this trade. You could have gotten stopped out. But by having the other context on the alpha structure trade, boom, you would still be in this trade. Your stop would have been down here. See what I'm saying? What matters is whether or not we get through this order block set right here and if this one holds up, okay? Because if this one holds up, we're likely to move through here and then start moving our way back up to 47.50 and then ultimately about $5,000 right up here. But the one thing I want you to understand is if we get under here, pretty likely that we'll probably come down somewhere around the 4,400 and 4,440 range into this order block set and then catch our bounce, right? But if we are to get through here, $5,000 is pretty much almost written in the cards because you've got a little bit of resistance right here at 48.80 and then you've got 5K. So that's kind of what we're looking for. We were looking for this kind of Wyckoff model 1 to happen and it did. And now you're kind of catching your bounce. So if gold gets its legs, it could be heading to about $5,000 after it gets through here, obviously, and after it gets through there, obviously. Bitcoin, we actually gave out this trade on Bitcoin last week. Most markets are moving down, right? And we gave this trade out on Bitcoin. It hit, dude, absolutely massive, massive profits. Most people are still riding this thing down because our ultimate target is all the way down here at about $74,000 where the old prior double top high is before we went to like $125,000 parabolic, right? Look at the risk to reward on this trade, 16.5x, right? So really, you need to come down here and see what happens at $74,000. Until you get down there, none of this other stuff matters, dude. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm one of the only people in the market, seriously, I'm one of the only people in the market that's been saying, Bitcoin's going down, baby. Bitcoin's going down. You don't believe me? Go watch my videos. Go watch my videos. Never once did you see me saying like, yo, Bitcoin's going to go up. Oh, XRP. Oh, ETH. Blah, 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 blah. Like all these other influencers that just want to pump their bags and like play moon boy BS to get followers and likes. No, I'm going to tell you the real deal. And the real deal, again, inside of Nordic Alpha was, dog, we're going down. We're going down bad, and we're going down to probably $74,000. You're about $2,500 away from that right now, that full target, right? So we'll see what happens there. Same thing. We called the top right there, bang. We called the top right there, bang. But we also called the top on the S&P, man. We called the top on the S&P, hit a full take profit, bounced from the order block sets that we were talking about inside of Nordic Alpha, obviously. And now we're looking to see, can we get under this? And then if we do, if we get under this, guess where we're going? Right down here to most likely the 1 day and the 12-hour lows at about 71.30 and then down to about 7,000 from there. So like, do with that information whatever you want to do. I'm not going to tell you what to do. I will tell you if you want my actionable trade ideas, get inside of Nordic Alpha. You know where to get in. First link in the description. I will see you all soon. Hopefully this is helpful to you throughout the week. I will hopefully bring out some more videos to kind of be your golden compass through gold, silver, crypto, the S&P, whatever it is, right? And let me know what your targets are in the comments section. Seriously. I'll see you all soon. Everybody have a good day. Peace.